Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into UI design, creating an interactive dropdown in Figma is a must-know skill, especially with the 2025 updates that make prototyping even smoother. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can add this to your design toolkit quickly. First things first, make sure you have a Figma account and the latest version installed. It's free and user-friendly. Let's jump right in. Start by opening a new Figma file and creating a frame for your design. This will be your canvas. Now, sketch out the basic dropdown elements. Think of a button or list that users can click to expand options. Use Figma's shape tools to draw a rectangle for the dropdown trigger and add text for labels. Don't forget to organize your layers. Name them clearly to keep things tidy. Next, it's time to add interactivity. Head over to the Prototype tab in Figma. Select your dropdown element and link it to a new frame that represents the expanded state. For 2025, Figma has enhanced interactions, so you can easily set up animations like a smooth slide-down effect. Click on the prototype settings to choose triggers, such as on-click, and define the interaction duration for a polished feel. Once that's set, test your prototype by playing it in Figma's preview mode. Tweak the timing and transitions based on how it looks. Aim for something intuitive and responsive. Pro tip: use components for reusable elements, like making your dropdown a master component to speed up future designs. Finally, export your design or share it with your team. You've just created a functional interactive dropdown. This technique is perfect for apps, websites, or any project needing user-friendly interfaces. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more design tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.